안녕하세요, Aname.
안녕하세요, Te.
So you're done with your assignment na. Done ka ba, Messi? Dagkan kay Grisher. 3, 6, 9, 10. Dagkan kay Grisher. Study ka ni? Are you ready? 5 questions lang. Answer largo. Huna adaan before ka mo answer. Ha? Sige. 7 times 4.
28.
3 times 8.
24. Ay, 24.
9 times 4.
36.
7 times 9.
63.
6 times 8.
48.
4 times 3.
12.
Okay. So, balik na ka sa kwan. Study room, ha? Study hard. Practice good, Miss Permi ang kwan. Multiplication. I-master Permi. Okay?
Okay.
Samida.
안녕하세요. Now I will explain how to solve PEMDAS. So I will follow the rules of PEMDAS.
Order of
PEMDAS day.
Order of operation.
Order of operation. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So first is I will solve the multiplication. I did it. Kan? I will answer the parenthesis first. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. And and I'll put parenthesis 2, and next is 30 divided by 15 equals to 2. And next is our answer 11 times 3. And copy plus. First is I'll answer 9. This parenthesis is transfer to the multiplication. 9 times 2 equals to 18. And copy the rest. Next is subtract 33 minus 18 equals to 15. Copy.
Ilan na?
15.
More mag 13.
And the answer is 25.
Sakto yan, sir? Ha? Kasabot mo pa explain ni Kia? Samida. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 일산 중학교 4학년 미호입니다.
Okay, may questions ko nimo. 10 ka questions. Random. Para sa official student na ka. Kung makapasar ka ni tanan. Okay? Ready na ka? Okay. 7 times 4.
28.
9 times 6.
54.
Ano na tanong? 2 times 8.
16.
4 times 3.
12.
6 times 8.
48.
3 times 6.
15, 18,
7 times 4.
28,
8 times 3.
21, 8, 24,
9 times 4.
36,
7 times 8.
56,
10.
10, and
Okay. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 9살 초등학교 4학년 Faith입니다.
Okay. Same ra sa ilang mihaw ha. Huwag na mare. 10 questions para sa official
I'm
students. Kung makapasal ka na. Ready? 7 times 4.
28,
9 times 3.
27,
6 times 7.
42,
3 times 8.
24,
2 times 9.
18,
5 times 4.
20,
9 times 7.
63,
8 times 6.
48,
9 times 2.
18,
6 times 3.
18.
Okay. So, official na ka. Starting Monday, okay?
Zero.
Thank you.
Hulong.
Samida.
Ang salita.